How to transfer your TikTok post to Rednote. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings and Privacy. In here, go to Account, which is the first option. After you're in the account section, you'll find download your data. Click on download your data, which will lead you to this kind of page. In here, at the bottom, click on request data. After you have requested your data, you will find your data in here. After it's available, simply download it. Before that, scan this QR code. Then you'll open this page. In here, click on import the zip file here and simply import the file that you get from TikTok after downloading and requesting your data. Then press on transfer now at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to transfer your TikTok post to Rednote. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.